In our stories, we can add dynamic text elements that reflect the changes that happen when we interact with the data. In this example, we'll add dynamic text to this text object to show which regions have been selected in the story filter. We can add dynamic text from the menu for the object. When we add dynamic text, we have the option of displaying a wide range of information, including story properties such as user and date time values, along with the values from multiple types of input controls, filters, and variables. All available options are listed here and also grouped by category, so we can scroll through the options or jump to a specific type. Once we select the dynamic text and apply our changes, the selected values from the input show here. If we change the story filter, the values update to match. In styling mode, we can specify how excluded items are shown and choose the number of values that are displayed. To illustrate, we'll change the value to 2 and select another region in the filter. The dynamic text now displays only the first 2 selected members and groups the remainder. Note that we can also add dynamic text in the form of smart insights that are added to the footer of charts. For more information, refer to the video on using smart insights. Thanks for watching.